welcome to the Excel cycle. Today we're going to be examining the difference between chromatin, chromosomes, chromatids, homologous chromosomes, dyads, and tetrads. Chromatin is the substance that makes up chromosomes. It is made up of DNA and proteins called histones. Chromatin is usually uncondensed, but condenses into compact chromosomes during prophase in mitosis. Chromosomes are packages of DNA which condense and replicate prior to mitosis. This is an unreplicated chromosome shown here. Following replication, each copy of a chromosome is called a chromatid. The chromatids are identical and attached to each other by a centromere prior to cell division. Homologous chromosomes are two chromosomes that code for the same genes but may have varying DNA sequences resulting in different alleles. An organism receives one copy of a homologous pair from its father and one from its mother. Humans have 23 pairs of homologous chromosomes. Each replicated chromosome contains two sister chromatids. A dyad is simply a replicated chromosome containing two sister chromatids. A tetrad occurs when two homologous chromosomes align, which happens during meiosis I. And that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. If you have a request for a video, definitely leave us a comment or send us an email and we will try to make it happen. Thanks for watching.